So, all right. So following up on a comment from Stacy, 614, I think. You know, mentioned that this should be moved here, and I did, and I do have. It does work, ish. It's set to right now BCKV, 36 threads per inch, and it's moving along nice and slow. But what'll happen, and I don't know why yet, is the carriage will stop or pause. Let's see if it'll do it. Oh, there it just a little jerk. I don't know if you did. There, it's paused. But you notice the threaded rod doesn't ever stop. So it's not going to be from here that way. Now there's a problem of that way because I'm having a hard time getting it to shift into like selection A and a couple of the other ones. So there may be something loose up there. I don't know if I'm just missing something or if it's just a problem with the grip. There it goes again. With the teeth that are gripping the threaded rod to move it when you engage that switch over there. So, so at least it somewhat works. You know, I can at least troubleshoot that a bit more. So, I've tried to start cleaning it a bit. I don't know if you guys can really tell because you can see that spot I cleaned off there. Clean the top off. It's got a lot of grime in it, a lot of old oil and grease and stuff that I'm still working through. But I mean, the spindle's still moving good. All the speeds are right. I do have drive down to this section, so this part all seems to be good. It's just that piece down there. So, and that piece over there. That guy. It's his fault. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep playing with it. I got one cross slide off. I'm gonna take it to the house, finish taking it apart, completely clean it, tighten up some other screws and stuff on it. So, anyway, y'all have a good one.